Hello, fact lovers. Today we are here with some interesting facts about some religious plants of India. So, here we go. The first religious plant or tree is peepal. Peepal tree is one of the most worshipped tree of India and is also popularly known as the Bodhi tree. It is sacred for Buddhist people because it is believed that Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment under this tree. In Hinduism, the peepal tree represents the three supreme gods Vishnu, Brahma, Shiva. The roots represents Brahma, the trunk represents Vishnu, and the leaves of the tree represent Shiva. Peepal tree has its use in Ayurvedic medicine as well and is known to treat many ailments. A cloth or thread of red color is tied around the tree to worship it. The next tree is banyan, or we can say Bargad. Banyan tree is generally said to be the humble abode of Krishna. Banyan trees are always found either near a temple or there is a shrine below the tree itself. It is also the national tree of our country and has a large foliage which provides a vast field of shade. In the scorching summers, many people jaded by the blistering heat take shelter under the shade of the banyan tree. Next tree is Bel. Bel is very sacred tree of India and is associated with the Almighty Lord Shiva. The Bel leaves are always offered to Shiva. The religious ceremonies are considered incomplete if the Bel leaves and fruits are not offered to him. The next tree is Ashoka. Ashoka is very well known evergreen tree which has beautiful and fragrant flowers. The Ashoka tree is considered sacred by Hindus, Buddhists and even Jains. In Hinduism, this tree is associated to the god of love, also known as the Kamadev. The next tree is mango. The leaves and fruits of the sacred mango tree are used in many religious ceremonies. The mango tree has been cited in the epics of Ramayana, Mahabharata, and even in the Purans. The fruit of the mango tree is an emblem of purity, love, and fertility. The leaves of the mango tree are always hung by a string express the auspiciousness of any occasion. The next tree is Neem. The neem tree is one of the most respected tree in India due to its innumerous benefits. Neem has medicinal properties and is used to treat many diseases. It is also associated with goddess Durga and many people believe that neem trees help in keeping evil spirits at bay. Next tree is banana. The sakri banana tree is used in many religious ceremonies. The leaves are hanged near the entrance to mark an auspicious occasion and are also used as plates to give prasad. The fruit of the banana tree is offered in religious ceremonies to gods and goddesses, in particular Lord Ganesha and Lord Vishnu. The next tree is coconut. In South India, the coconut tree is considered the most sacred tree. Most of the people there have planted a coconut trees in their house. Coconut is used in many religious ceremonies of Hindus and is even distributed as prasad. Next plant is lotus. Of all the beautiful and alluring flower found in our country, lotus is considered to be the purest of them all. It is national flower of our country and every inch of the flower is pure beauty. It generally has a pink color and is an emblem of knowledge and prosperity. The goddesses Lakshmi and Saraswati sit on red and white lotuses. The lotus is also associated with Brahma. The next religious tree is sandalwood. Sandalwood is also considered to be a holy and sacred tree. The fragrant wood of the tree is made into a paste, which is then used in worshipping Lord Vishnu and Shiva. The paste of tree is considered very pure and holy. The next tree is Kunda, or we can say star jasmine. Kunda is known for its beautiful white flowers and is sacred to Vishnu. In Manipur, the flowers are used in many religious ceremonies and worship of God and goddesses. Kunda is an essential part of the marriage ceremonies, and the flowers are used as garlands in the ceremony. The next tree is Kadam. Lord Krishna used to play his flute under the Kadam tree. All the activities in his childhood were done near this tree. The Kadam tree is favorite among many gods and goddesses. Goddess Durga is believed to reside in the Kadam forest. Our next tree is Plumeria, or we can say Champa. Champa is a dazzling and sweetly scented yellow flower used in religious ceremonies and worship of gods. It is considered to be sacred of Krishna. It is believed to be a part of one of the 5 darts of flowers of Kamdev. Our next plant is Tulsi. Tulsi is one of the most common sacred plants of our country. Many people have Tulsis planted in their backyards. Tulsi is always needed in religious ceremonies and is also popular for its medical applications. Tulsi is loved by Lord Vishnu, and in Hinduism, Tulsi Vivah is a very popular religious practice. Apart from this, yogis wear Tulsi beads to purify their mind, body and soul. The next tree is Parijat tree in Kintur. Parijat tree is the name of one tree and not a whole species. This tree is found in Kintur in Uttar Pradesh. It is the male tree of the Baobab genus and is found in parts of Africa and Australia. These trees are said to be very unique, and the one found in Kintur is estimated to be 1000 to 5000 years old. This unique tree is associated with Mahabharata and is said to be growing on Kunti's ashes. This tree is believed to have been brought from heaven by Krishna. So these are the facts for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share the video as much as possible. Thank you.